Hi guys, you're welcome to another episode of my video, and in today's video we are going to be talking about Facebook monetization right here in Nigeria. So as we all know, Facebook actually launched their monetization opportunity in the month of June 2024, which was last year, and since then a lot of people have tried to use Facebook to earn money online. But the truth is that there are still some set of people who don't know how to go about it. So I'm actually creating this series for people that don't understand anything about Facebook monetization from scratch, like people that don't even know anything about Facebook or how to go about it. So that is why I'm actually creating this series. So this is a 6-month challenge. So I'm going to take 6 months to break down for people that don't know how to use Facebook to actually earn money online. So that is what I'm doing here. So this is also a challenge for me. There are a lot of people earning money on Facebook. I will not lie. Like, there are a lot of people earning money on Facebook. For example, brother Shaggy, Shanko Mix, a lot of content creators online. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can stay updated, stay active, so that whenever I drop a new episode, YouTube is going to notify you. To show you guys that I'm not joking, I actually went out, I bought a new phone. I showed you guys this phone in one of my previous videos. Some people say it's a fake. So you can see, I bought a new phone, I bought a new SIM card, a new everything, created a new Facebook profile. I'm also going to be showing you guys how to create a page and how to grow your page. A few days ago, Facebook actually sent me a message. I just sat down in one morning and I saw hello Solomon, you have been invited. My page is actually ready to be monetized. Today we are going to be talking about Facebook monetization opportunities, different methods that you can actually earn money from Facebook, or different opportunities that Facebook monetization actually offers. First of all, for you to be eligible for Facebook monetization right here in Nigeria, you must have at least 5,000 followers. It was 10,000 before, so Facebook actually reduced it to 5,000 followers, and you must have like 60,000 minute view in the last 60 days for you to be actually eligible for Facebook monetization right here in Nigeria. So what are some of the opportunities that Facebook monetization actually offers? Number one, they have what we call in-stream ads. They call it in-stream ads. In-stream ads are short ads that are placed within your video content. You understand? Those are in-stream ads. So you should take note that that's the first way you can actually earn money on Facebook, or that's the first opportunity or monetization opportunity that Facebook actually offers. So the second one is actually called Real Play Program. Real Play Program is actually a second monetization feature on Facebook. So Facebook actually offers its creator the opportunity to earn bonuses for you creating good quality reel on Facebook. Is very simple. And another thing you need to know is that for this particular monetization opportunity, Facebook has to invite you. So it's invitation only. So if they don't invite you, well, you don't have access to it. So once you're qualified and your reels are performing well, you have good views from your reels, Facebook is going to invite you to actually monetize your reels. That is what they call Real Play Program. The third monetization feature on Facebook is called stars and subscriptions. Viewers can actually buy stars, you understand, and send it to their favorite creators, you understand, when they are live. So sometimes if you go live, people will send you stars, people will send you, all those things, just like you being on TikTok and you get gifts when you're live. And subscription is people want to support your content, or they want to support your page, or they like what you're doing, so they can subscribe to your page for monthly subscription. So they can pay based on what you set. So they can pay 700 naira a month for your page, you understand, your true fans, people that truly follow you based on the value you add to them. By the way, there is a subscription on YouTube. Well, you can actually join my community, you can support my effort, you can subscribe right here. It's not really that expensive. Well, you can do that if you actually support what I'm doing. Thank you very much. So the next way you can actually earn money on Facebook, or the next Facebook monetization opportunity, is called branded content and affiliate marketing. So you create this content for brands that actually pay you to promote their product. So it's very simple. So the next one is affiliate marketing. But you need to note that Facebook has policy for links. It's not all the kind of links you share. If you share links that go against Facebook community guideline, they can actually block your page, or they suspend your account. Legitimate affiliate programs that can actually help you to earn money too. So that's another way you can use to monetize your Facebook page, or you can use to monetize your Facebook content. So let's go to the next method, guys. So the next way you can use to earn money on Facebook is called paid online event. Just like you hosting an online class, you understand? But people actually pay money to actually attend this online class. That is what they call paid online events. You can host this on Facebook. Facebook has different ways you can host different events, but you can actually monetize this particular method and you can use it to earn money for yourself, guys. The next method you can use to earn money on Facebook is called Facebook groups monetization. Hold on. Now, this method is when you as an admin, you create a group on Facebook. People can pay you a certain amount of money, or members can pay you a certain amount of money before they actually post their content in your group. For example, maybe you create a group about referral links, you create a group about something or marketing or selling, but people actually pay you a token or actually pay you a percentage or something before they actually sell on your page. You understand? It's very, very simple. Or you can create a group and you make people actually pay before they view your content, if the content in that group is actually very, very important. So people can pay the admin before they actually view your content. So that is another very, very important and the most simple form of Facebook monetization. In fact, this one is something anybody can do, because there are a lot of people that owns groups with thousands of followers inside those groups, and most of them have not monetized it. They just use it for fun. But with this information I just give you now, you can use this particular information so you can monetize that your Facebook group that you're using, and you can use it to earn some extra cash for yourself every single day, every single week, and every single month. Now, before I go, let me give you guys some tips. So what are some of the potentials and growth opportunities that Facebook actually offers? Well, number one, expanding features. Every day, every month, every year, Facebook actually strives to bring out new features for creators to use and earn money. So this can help you, because it's not only one feature. The next time Facebook can bring out something new. For example, Facebook just brought out monetization on stories. You can actually monetize your stories on Facebook global audience, which means that you have the opportunity to reach different people from different parts of the world. Facebook is actually one of the biggest social media platforms globally, so you have that opportunity to meet different people, and you can use the opportunity to build your brand, to sell your product, to do a lot of stuff, to showcase your talent, and so on and so forth. So those are some of the basics you need to know about Facebook monetization. Today is just the ground opening. I'm just shaking the ground so that when I start with me. These are some of the opportunities that Facebook actually offers. These are the things you will benefit if you eventually build and grow your Facebook page. Well, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.